Good day everyone and welcome. In this video we're talking about how to return an item on Shein and get your money back. So firstly guys, make sure to log in with your account. I'm already logged in, and as you can see we can just browse any item. For example, say these scissors, so you add them to cart and then you check out in here. So after placing the order and actually after you've checked out and actually paid for it with either Visa, which is basically various ways of using your credit card, or you maybe have used Google Pay or Apple Pay or PayPal or whatever, you actually spent the money. But for example, you figured out maybe I've ordered a wrong size, or maybe the item that I ordered, I just changed my mind, I just don't want it anymore. So after placing the order, how can you actually cancel it, right, before it's shipped to you? So let us go through this. So for that guys, you go back to the Shein, you go to your account, and you go to My Orders. And guys, in here, you will have all of your orders. So the order that you have just placed, you have paid for it, it's not shipped yet, so this is the perfect time to actually cancel it, because after it's shipped it's a little bit harder, and after it's arrived it's also already gonna be a different procedure of returning it and canceling it. So if you want to easily cancel, you will have your order right here under your orders. You just press the cancel button. So just like it said in this article, you go to orders, I've already shown this, and as you can see, you just navigate to your orders, and for example, there's going to be your product, quantity, this code, amount, and status, which is important. It's going to be under awaiting verification or under processing label, alright? And pretty much this is very simple. You just press on the cancel order button, and it's not going to be shipped, and the money should be shortly returned to the original payment method that you've used to pay for the item, back to you, and you will get your money back. Also, in terms of the details, as you can see, can you cancel Shein order after shipping? As you can see, no, you can't. You can return it to a request refund, however. So just like I said, this is the perfect time to cancel it to avoid the this hassle. And when do you get a refund? So as you can see, based on your payments method, the money will be returned within 24 hours, as said in here. And also, as you can see, we have PayPal and card. So basically, your funds arrive in 1 to 5 business days for PayPal, and 1 to 15, depending on your bank, days for your bank card. And if your refund is delayed, contact your bank and provide this ARN. And after that guys, just wait for the money to hit your account, and that's pretty much how you cancel the order. So make sure to understand all of the order statuses, right? Just like I have explained. The faster you will cancel it, the less hassle and shenanigans you will have to do after that. Enjoy guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video, press a thumbs up and subscribe guys.